Hello everyone, today we will discuss about how to reduce a fraction to its simplest form. These are the steps to follow the how to reduce a fraction to its simplest form. First step is find the highest common factor, that is HCF of the numerator and denominator of the given fraction. And second step is divide both the numerator and denominator by highest common factor. Now we get the simplest form of the given fraction. Now we will solve question number 7. Which of the following is the simplest fraction? Options are 3 divided by 12, option B 5 divided by 9, option C 1 divided by 3, and option D 4 divided by 15. From these options we have to find the fractions which is in the simplest form. So first 3 divided by 12. When we reduce a fraction to the simplest form, we have to first find out the highest common factor, that is HCF of that fraction, that is HCF of numerator and denominator. Then we have to divide that the highest common fraction from with the numerator and denominator. That is, here we have to find the highest common factor of 3 and 12. HCF of 3 and 12. Here prime factorization of 3 is 3 and 12 is 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 3, and both 3 and 12 have common factor is 3 only. There is no common factor 2 in 3. So common factor is 3, that is the highest common factor. Highest common factor is 3. Now we have to divide the highest common factor with the numerator 3 and the denominator 12. So 3 divided by this highest common factor 3 and denominator 12 divided by the highest common factor 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1 and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 1 divided by 4 is the simplest fraction of the fraction 3 divided by 12. So 3 divided by 12 is not in the simplest form. So this is incorrect. Now B option. Option B 5 divided by 9. Here we have to find the first highest common factor between 5 and 9. Highest common factor of 5 and 9 is prime factorization of 5 is 5 and prime factorization of 9 is 3 multiplied with 3. So highest common factor, that is common factor between 5 and 9 is there is no common factor, so it is 1. So highest common factor between 5 and 9 is 1. So we have to divide this numerator and denominator with highest common factor 1. So 5 divided by 1 and 9 divided by 1, that is 5 divided by 9. And this is in the simplest form. So 5 divided by 9 is the correct option. Now option C. Option C 1 divided by 3. Here 1 divided by 3, there is no common factor between 1 divided by 3. Only 1 is the common factor between 1 and 3. So we have to divide 1, highest common factor 1 and denominator 3 with 1. So it is 1 divided by 3. So 1 divided by 3 is in the simplest form. Now D 4 divided by 15. D option 4 divided by 15. So 4 divided by 15, here there is no common factor, only 1 is the common factor between 4 and 15. So we have to divide 4 with 1 and 15 with 1. Highest common factor between 4 and 15 is 1. So we have to divide the numerator and denominator 4 and 15 with 1. So this is 4 divided by 15, and 4 divided by 15 is in the simplest form. So which of the following is not in the simplest fraction? Which of the following is the simplest fraction? These three, option B, B, C, D, are in the simplest form, but option A is not in the simplest form. So option A, that is 3 divided by 12, this fraction is not in the simplest fraction.